This is Chris from ModeMunch and welcome to another fast food fight. This show that reviews popular dishes from fast food chains, recreates them and make them look and taste like their retail products, whilst reducing the cost. Imagine pepperoni, mozzarella and mushroom on a medium deep pan tomato base. A deep pan pizza for $5 is great, and according to the USFDA, this is technically a balanced diet. So put that in your muddy bag and take it to the bank. Speaking of bags, our sponsor today is the sporting knapsack manufacturer that specialises in boxing haversacks, MMA packs and combat sports rucksacks. It's the bags that openly share their achievements with everyone else. The first step is your dough base. Marjoram Garlic infused olive oil, yeast and water for wet, cornflour and plain flour for dry. Mix until smooth. Roll it till it's very, very thin. Tomato paste. Mozzarella, mushroom, pepperoni, chuck it in the oven at 220 degrees centigrade till golden. Came in at half price. Well, it looks like crap, but it functions as a pizza. Speaking of semi-functional crap, feel free to visit the merch site in the link description. Slice it up and slip on that. This has been Chris from ModeMunch, and I will see you next Tuesday.